Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about implementation of data structures, part of data structures using C++. The implementation of data structures involves writing code to create and manipulate the structure based on the underlying algorithms and concepts. The implementation of a data structure can vary depending on the programming language and the specific requirements of the application. However, there are some common steps involved in implementing a data structure. Define the data structure. Determine the type of data structure that is best suited for the problem being solved based on the requirements of the application. Choose the data structure. Choose the specific implementation of data structure based on the language being used and the specific requirements of the application. For example, there may be several implementations of a linked list, such as single linked list, double linked list, and circular linked list. Define the data structure operations. Determine the operations that will be performed on the data structure, such as inserting an element, deleting an element, or searching for an element. Write the code. Write the code to implement the data structure, including the operations and any necessary algorithms. Test the code. Test the code to make sure it works as expected and to identify and fix any bugs or errors. Analyze the performance. Analyze the performance of the data structure and algorithms and make any necessary changes to improve efficiency and performance. Implementing data structures requires a strong understanding of the underlying algorithms and concepts, as well as the ability to write clean, efficient, and readable code. It is an important part of software development and a key skill for the computer science programmers. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.